What's going on, guys? So I dug this box out of my scrap pile because it was a failed project back in the day and I completely forgot about it. But the question was asked, can you take a messed up or a used 6.5 inch box and turn it into a 6x9 box or an 8 box? So with this example, this is a 2800 series box. So an 8-inch speaker is going to take up a large area, but it can fit. The problem is your battery. So I recommend converting these to a 6x9. So here I have a 6x9 template. And if you line it up just right in the middle on both sides, you'll be able to cut out these two sides right here and fit a 6x9 in there, no problem. So let me see if I got a Sharpie or something handy to, right here. So we're lined up pretty even right there. So let's go ahead and mark it. There you have it. That's going to line up really well. And you'll be able to put your 6x9 in there, no problems. So if you have any questions about this, guys, sorry, the wind is super loud out here. I was wondering what that was blowing around. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Head over to the Facebook group, Built On Bought Boomboxes. But this is a way to save a 6.5 inch failure, or say you got a 5 1/4. As long as the speaker will fit internally into it, you'll be able to cut it out and have no issues. So with that being said, guys, have a great day.